When Meta launched its new AI account on Threads, users quickly realized something strange. They couldn't block it. Over 1 million posts protested the mandatory inclusion. Users tried reporting the account for spam, but the platform systematically ignored the requests. Google is taking this integration further with Gemini Intelligence for Android. Instead of an operating system you tap and swipe, your phone becomes an autonomous agent that navigates apps and autofills complex web forms while you watch. Google DeepMind's AI pointer concept even takes over the physical cursor itself, executing multi-step tasks across the web without a single human click. Digital operating systems are no longer passive tools built for human fingers. They are becoming mandatory runtime environments for AI. This loss of control on our screens is now bleeding into the physical world. Consider the community living around Lake Tahoe. NV Energy will cut off electricity to 49,000 Lake Tahoe residents by May 2027, redirecting regional power to feed northern Nevada's AI data centers. Consequently, local electricity prices have spiked 77%. This quietly cut off the ability for everyday developers to train their own custom models. Meanwhile, elite tech operations are expanding. A company called Cognition recently raised $25 billion, specifically to monopolize specialized custom model training. As the most accessible path to custom model training disappears, the market is splitting. While typical developers are restricted to standard prompts, the massive capital required for specialized fine-tuning is concentrating among a few hyper-elite firms. Terrestrial expansion is hitting strict political and physical limits. To find more space, tech giants are now looking off-planet. Under a joint initiative called Project Suncatcher, Google and SpaceX plan to launch satellites equipped with custom AI processors into orbit by 2027. The motivation is purely structural. Space offers unlimited, unfiltered solar energy, and it completely sidesteps the problem of displacing local communities or negotiating for land. But shifting AI computation into orbit achieves something else. It removes the physical hardware entirely from earthly environmental regulations and political oversight. While megacorporations build orbital server monopolies, a grassroots rebellion of open-source developers is pushing in the exact opposite direction, running AI directly on consumer hardware. Developers are building localized databases, like the Agent Memory Framework, which slashes token waste by 91% and entirely bypasses the need for cloud computing. We are also seeing highly efficient 1 billion parameter models, like OpenBNB. These are tiny enough to execute complex visual tasks natively on a standard smartphone. Tools like Supertonic and OpenHuman provide completely offline text-to-speech and personal AI assistants that never report back to a corporate server. These local frameworks act as digital lifeboats. They preserve user privacy and maintain human autonomy against mandatory corporate integration. The final contest for digital agency will be decided by who controls the physical power to pull the plug.